Hi, this is a video response to Mr. Pryor's question that he sent in via email, and he also sent me a video as well.
My appliance wouldn't start a wash cycle. The drain pump was making strange noises when I started a cycle, and no water entered the machine. I took the existing drain pump apart. It was filthy and blocked with sludge. I cleaned it out and refitted it. No luck. So I replaced the drain pump and fitted the new one. I started a wash cycle. The appliance filled with water, but did not turn the drum. I took the back off the device. The drive belt was attached to the pulley on the motor and the large pulley on the back of the drum. The belt would only turn by a fraction of a turn. Then I took the motor out, hoping to dismantle it to look at what was causing the pulley to jam. I can't separate the motor into its two halves, as the drive pulley is preventing the motor pieces from separating. How can I remove this pulley? Do I just need a new motor?
He's got a washing machine which is a Beko WDER7440421W, and he's had some problems with a machine that's only 3 years old. First, he's replaced the pump because it wasn't emptying, but then he found that the machine was not turning or spinning during the cycle. After doing some investigation, he had actually taken the motor off the machine because he suspected the carbon brushes were worn. But just to inform you, Mr. Pryor, this is an induction motor. There are no brushes in the motor at all. This is a three-phase motor that is controlled by a circuit board inside the machine. Now, what has actually happened, after looking at your video and also looking at the schematics on the actual machine, the bearings on the motor look like they've seized. And the problem being is some of the manufacturers today, when they are producing these motors, do not make them serviceable, meaning that you are unable to replace the bearings on the armature. This is because the motor is pressed together in the factory, and you would need specialist equipment to be able to unscrew the pulley off the end of the shaft to be able to remove the motor armature completely. And it's a very difficult process. Now, I have actually found the motor for your machine, but I want to warn you before going ahead and purchasing a motor. Although these motors are not that expensive compared to other manufacturers, you can actually obtain the motor, I believe, for about £90 odd. The problem being is if the motor has had an overloading short, it may have damaged the circuit board. So don't think that you can just replace the motor. You really need to ascertain whether the circuit board is still sending power to the motor, because you might have to replace not only the motor, but also the circuit board. And if that's the case, it would be very expensive repair. Now, what I would do is have a look not only at our website to see if we ever have any second-hand motors, and I don't at the moment, I'm sorry, but also have a look on eBay and do a search with your full model number, which I've given you just now, and not only search for the complete machine that may have either another fault, or you just might find a second-hand one and then have all the spares that you need for the future, but also check Facebook Marketplace as well. But you will notice on the page, when you're doing a search, there is a little button, if you're logged into your account, that says Save Search. This means eBay or Facebook Marketplace would send you an email automatically when that search produces a result. And it's a very useful feature not many people know about. So it might be worth keeping hold of the machine until another one becomes available. I know you might not have the storage, but it is a cheap solution to a problem that might easily be rectified over the course of a month or so. I'm really sorry to hear that this machine is only, literally, you're telling me it was manufactured 2022/2023, which I can confirm. But it's very poor that a motor fails in this period of time. This means that your machine is roughly only 3 years old, and I'm sorry to see that you have the problem. But this is a problem with our industry today. Appliances are just not made to last like they used to be. Thanks very much for sending the question in. I hope you managed to rectify the machine. I have sent you an email with all the relevant links. And for anyone else that ever needs spare parts for this machine, do put your full model number up on our search in the website. You will not only find repair guides, you will also find spare parts, new and used as well. Thanks very much for sending the question in.